What ZoomInfo has done a great job of is meet us where we are. Sago has been around for the better part of the last 6 decades. We've been a category leader in a defined space, qualitative market research and insights. We realized that we needed to enhance our sales processes to support the kind of sale that we were driving toward. And so the start of my ZoomInfo journey really was a turn toward smart go-to-market intelligence platform to really help me build out a best-in-class sales organization. Our mission this year is to build a really effective, efficient go-to-market engine and close the gap that historically exists between marketing teams and sales teams. And what I think is beautiful about the work that we're doing with marketing and then also Copilot is the marketing work is allowing us to track and report on awareness and have better understanding of interest and consideration and evaluation and making sure that we're building smarter ad targeting through the right firmographic data. Then that's bringing in more highly targeted, higher propensity to land leads that our reps are receiving and converting at a higher rate. When you take that more efficient marketing motion and then start to layer in the benefit that Copilot brings by leveraging AI to actually automate prospecting and make workflow more efficient, it's really become a game changer. Since we trained our team on Copilot, we've seen all of these different efficiencies. Our sellers are selling smarter. We have seen a higher percentage of conversion, and we're still collecting the right KPIs and metrics to make sure that we're looking at things and thinking about things the right way. We're quickly building in a more efficient go-to-market motion, and it really is due to this intelligence platform. The sky's the limit really with the partnership. We're already exploring additional licenses. We're looking to bolster how we're leveraging Copilot for competitive intelligence, smarter deal execution. So it really is just a story of more.